Happy New Year! I want to wish you and your loved ones a healthy, happy and prosperous year ahead. As we step foot in the door of a fresh new year, I want to take this opportunity to offer my sincere thanks to our students, teachers and partners. Thank you for learning with us. We are 100% focused delivering the best learning environment and support to you, our students. I hope you will join us in this exciting journey as we change the way students are served and knowledge is imparted. Once again, thank you for helping us make this happen.